So you've been using the Onguard hand sanitizer mist and, well, you ran out. So, you throw it away. But wait, you can recycle it. Pull it out. Make sure it's empty. Grab your purify. Put 1 drop. Next, you're going to grab your Onguard and you will put 1 drop. This is the lemon eucalyptus, and for this one, we're going to put 2 drops. Grab your fractionated coconut oil, and for this, we will put 4 drops. Last, we're going to fill up the container with water, and for this step, make sure you spill half of the water onto the countertop. And we're done. Now, we're going to shake it. This writing has been on my vision board for months. Spray this bad boy, and it will wipe right off. Essential oils are essential.